Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to study about naming of neutral complex compound. In today's class, we are going to study about naming of neutral complex compound. Children, when we are studying about neutral complex compound, the first point is you should be aware about how to identify these neutral complex compound. I will just take two examples. One is NiCO 4 times. We are studying the naming. Then the second compound which I am going to take it is FeCO 5 times. If you just observe, in both the compounds we do not have ionization spheres. So when there are no ionization spheres or species, we can conclude that these are the neutral complex compounds. Now, one more hint which I gave it in the regular class to name the complex compound is a life cycle of a food chain. What is the life cycle of the food chain which I asked you to remember? Lion will eat monkey, monkey will eat orange. But for our unit, coordination compound, what is this L represents? L represents ligand, then metal, the central metal atom, and its oxidation state. We have to follow this order in order to name the coordination sphere. So now let us see in our first compound, when we are observing in our first compound, who is the ligand? Ligand is CO. Just check your list, the CO is being considered as neutral ligand. Neutral ligand, that is carbonyl ligand. How many in number? 4 in number. So the first starting in the naming the compound is, when we name the ligand, it is being given as tetracarbonyl. What is it? Tetracarbonyl. So we are finished with ligand. Then next is metal. So who is the central metal? Nickel. So the name will be written as same as nickel. Metal is nickel. The metal name is going to be changed in case of ACC. Latin names should be used with a suffix of ATE. But here we are studying only the naming of neutral complex compound. So the name of the central metal atom is retained as nickel. Then next, oxidation state. Any carbonyl compounds, you please consider this as oxidation state as 0. So let me write it, what I have given to you. When I come to the writing part, so first is the ligand, students. When it is a ligand, it is tetracarbonyl nickel is the name of this first compound. What will be the name of the second compound? The name of the second compound is, how many in number? 5. 5 will be considered as pentaamine. It's double M, children. It's double M. Pentaamine. Is it amine or carbonyl? It is being given as not amine, children. It is not an amine. It is being given as carbonyl. Carbonyl iron 0 is the name of this compound. Got it? We'll just see the ACC naming in our next video. Thank you.